Last time, we watched friction slow a rolling ball to a stop, and its get up and go seemed to simply vanish. But you and I are suspicious of things that vanish, aren't we? So today, we hunt down where it went. And the answer has a name. Energy. Energy is just the power to make things happen. And the wonderful thing about it is that it comes in many different costumes. There is the energy of motion, the energy of heat, of light, of sound. There is energy stored up in a ball held high. And there is energy in the food that powers your very own body. Now let me show you the most important thing about energy, with a ball and a hill. Up here at the top of the hill, the ball is not moving at all, but it still has energy, tucked away, ready to go. We call this stored energy. And on the right, I have drawn a bar to show you the total amount of energy. Right now, it is all stored. Keep your eye on that bar. Now we let the ball go, and it rolls down the hill, faster and faster. Watch the bar. The stored energy is shrinking, but the motion energy is growing to match it. The energy is changing costume, from stored into motion. But look ever so carefully. The total height of the bar has not changed one tiny bit. And now the ball reaches the bottom and thuds to a stop. Its motion energy is gone. But where did it go? Into a little bit of sound, that thud you heard, and into heat. The spot where it landed is now the tiniest bit warmer. And the bar, still exactly the very same height. The energy only ever changed its costume. Not one drop was lost. This is the deepest rule in all of physics, and it never, ever breaks. Energy is never created out of nothing, and it is never, ever destroyed. It only changes from one costume to another. But wait, you might say. What about when my toy runs out of battery, or my torch goes dark? Surely then, the energy really is used up and gone. But no, not even then. When a toy runs down, its energy did not disappear. It slowly turned into heat, and light, and sound, and spread out into the whole room around it. Every last drop is still here. It has just spread out so thinly, over such a huge space, that we can no longer easily gather it back up and use it. So used up does not mean destroyed. It only ever means spread out. So look at this enormous idea you now hold. Energy is the power to make things happen. It changes from one form to another. It is never created and never destroyed. And running out really just means spreading out. This one rule holds the whole universe together. Now, did you notice something? Nearly every time energy changed costume, some of it turned into heat. The rolling ball, the running down toy. Energy simply loves to become heat and spread out, which makes heat very special indeed. And we already know one thing about it, way back from our matter season. Heat flows from the fast, hot pieces to the slow, cold ones. So next time, we are going to chase heat itself and discover the sneaky ways it travels from place to place. I will see you there.